Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Infinix display and brightness setting. So in this video friends we will talk about guys how can we on adaptive brightness in our Infinix phone. Guys, you want to on your adaptive brightness in your Infinix phone, so how can you on in this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to on guys adaptive brightness, then just scroll it. As you can see your phone display and brightness setting is tap here. As you can see second option adaptive brightness. Friends, you want to on, you can on from here. After on guys your brightness will decrease automatic and increase automatic when you will go outside, when you will come inside. Adaptive brightness means auto brightness, it will increase and decrease automatic guys. So like that guys, you can turn on your adaptive brightness and you can use in your Infinix phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video friends. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.